Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. On our satellite loop, we can see that there were thunder showers across the central interior late yesterday, and they spread eastwards into the evening as well as towards the lowveld. Most of those thunder showers dissipated overnight, although we had a couple of thunderstorms still lingering around Gauteng, the northwest, as well as in western Limpopo earlier this morning, bringing wet weather to those areas. Now, it's also remained cloudy in the lowveld overnight with a couple of showers, and it's been a cloudy start to the day in the Eastern Cape as well as for some parts of the western coastline. For the rest of today, we're expecting it to remain cloudy in the lowveld. There could still be a couple of showers in that area. Otherwise, a partly cloudy afternoon, and once again, those thunder showers will be redeveloping this afternoon across the central parts, a very similar pattern to what we've seen so far this week. Looking ahead to tomorrow, a cold front will be approaching the western coastline. That may bring some mid-morning rainfall to the peninsula that will dissipate in the afternoon, and at the same time, a little bit of light rain will spread along the south coast on your Friday afternoon. Over the eastern parts, as usual, thunder showers expected across the area, a very typical summer pattern expected for the region. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for today for the possibility that severe thunderstorms may develop over western KwaZulu-Natal and perhaps even over the far northern mountains of the Eastern Cape today. Taking a look at the rainfall probabilities, and once again scattered thunder showers for the Highveld into southern Limpopo, just to the east of Bloemfontein and extending down around the mountainous areas of the Eastern Cape and KZN. Isolated towards Beaufort West in the Western Cape. We're not expecting the rainfall to reach Port Elizabeth, although East London could see some thunder showers spreading towards your area later on. Winds this afternoon will be moderate for some parts of the Northern Cape. Otherwise, light winds expected for the coastline, although still getting up to 25 kilometers per hour in Richards Bay. And the maximum temperatures indicating a warm to hot day for most of South Africa. Very hot for Uppington, once again just below 40 degrees. And we're expecting Cape Town to reach a high of 28, and similar for Sutherland. 27 in Pretoria as well as Polokwane, and Mahikeng will be very hot once again at 31. Looking ahead to tomorrow morning and Friday, we'll start off cool over parts of the extreme western interior of South Africa. Some places may dip below 10 degrees overnight. Otherwise, a generally warm night expected, but very warm and humid along the east coast. 23 in Durban and Richards Bay. Cape Town for today, as we've seen, gets to 28, lots of sunshine and light winds. And tonight remains mainly clear. We're expecting an overnight low of 16. The cloud cover with that cold front will only start moving in early tomorrow morning. Taking a look ahead to tomorrow afternoon, and here we can see cooler air in circulation over the Western Cape as well as along the southern coastline. Johannesburg gets to 27, thunder showers expected once again. And for the start of the weekend, sunny and warm weather returns to Cape Town. We're expecting it to be cool with a chance of rain in East London.